how to fix your personal hotspot that keeps disconnecting. Whether you're sharing your hotspot with another phone or connecting it to your laptop, here's how to solve the issue where it repeatedly disconnects. There are basically 3 settings we need to adjust. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and select Mobile Service. Then tap Personal Hotspot. Make sure Allow Others to Join is enabled. And also ensure that Maximize Compatibility is switched off, just like shown here. Next, go back to the main settings screen. Scroll down and tap Battery. Scroll to the bottom and confirm that low power mode is turned off. Now return to the main settings page again. Scroll down and select Display and Brightness. Then scroll to Auto Lock. Tap on it and set it to Never, because in some cases when your phone locks, it can cause the hotspot to shut off. Once you've updated all these settings, go ahead and try reconnecting to your hotspot. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon in another videos.